My channel, Sparkling Glue. So glad to have you here today. So I thought we would try something new. I did one page. I'll show you what I did. So I used some decoupage, and this is a napkin, and a junk journal. So I figured we could do one or two together and then come back and see how it turns out after it dries. So these are little napkins that came, it's a set of 4. I believe I got them from Amazon. If I can find when, I'll link it below. It's been a while. So the first thing you need to do is you need to take the plies off. So you're just going to grab a little bit of Scotch tape. Nope. I got it. Okay. So you're going to grab a little bit of Scotch tape and just put it on the back. And what you want to do is you're going to pull it apart, maybe. Never easy. There you go. Okay. All right. So there's one. Maybe you can use that for something. I don't know. And I think this did have another layer. So just put tape back on it, and there you go. And peel it off. Okay, so now you have your napkin. And what I'm going to do is I'm just getting a piece of white cardstock, just regular, it's probably 65 pound. And I'm using Mod Podge or decoupage, and maybe just a light coat. And just get it on there. And then you just want to place your napkin down and press very lightly so it doesn't rip. It's going to wrinkle a little, and that's okay. Okay. So once you feel like it's down a little bit, and if you push too hard with the brush on this, it will rip. So just lightly go around the edges so it adheres or seals. And I'm not doing a lot of decoupage, but enough so the brush doesn't stick to it. And once you've gone around and you feel like that's pretty sealed, go ahead and put some in the middle. And try to get everything covered, but you're not going to really go over it that many times. You'll see when you're doing it if it feels like it's going to rip or not. All right, so I'm just going to leave this. And this is what we have. So let's let this dry, and then we did this one already. You guys want to do one more? All right, let's do one more. Okay, how about the yellow? Yellow? That's kind of pretty. All right, so get your tape. Go ahead and tape it to the back and pull. And go ahead and do it for, and not every napkin is 3-ply. A lot of them are 2. So just see what you have. All right, and just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to lightly cover the page. And if you miss some spots, it's fine, because when you cover it on the top, it should really go through. All right, and I'm going to have some glue to clean up. And then just go ahead and place your napkin down. Push down a little bit and go ahead and get the ends. It's a pretty quick process, and I think what I'm going to try to do is when those dry, glue a second one to the back, just depending on if I think the paper is going to be able to take it, but I think it should. All right, so this seems pretty well glued. All right, so we have 3 pieces, and I'm going to let them dry, and then we'll be back and see what happens. All right, see you soon. I finished them. I just wanted to show them to you. So they're 2-sided on the same piece of paper. It was a little hard to line up. So what I would suggest, if you have one of those light boards, when you put it down, you probably could see exactly where the napkin is to line it up. Or you can do it on a separate piece of paper, cut it out, and then glue them together, but it might be a little too thick. But anyway, I think they came out cute, and they're definitely gonna last, and these would be really nice to fold and put in a junk journal, I think. So I'm definitely gonna work on a project for them, and I did find the link to the Amazon for them. It's 3-ply napkins, and I think they also have, so they have this set, and then they have another set that actually looked really pretty. I'm thinking of getting that one now. Anyway, so thanks for stopping by. Let's see what we can make with this, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.